Today's the perfect day to paint about anything you want. Let's paint about something everyone loves.
What it is?
Mixing color. Use as many colors as you want. I'll use red, but before that, watch closely. Look. The colors changed.
Can I try?
Next time, it's going to be amazing. Today, let's have so much fun mixing colors and making a beautiful picture. Mix some paints and make your own special colors. There are lots of spaces on the palette to try.
First, let's start by moving the colors around. We've got red, let's move that one. And if you want to use a different color, just wash your brush with water. Now, let's add blue to the mix. Put it in the same spot and give it a mix. Oh, it's turning into sea color. So cool. Let's mix them all together and see what new color we can make. You can try mixing 3 colors together. Mix them however you want, and try drawing whatever comes to mind. Ready for some fun? Place your paints, palette, and water close by. When you mix them, you can create colors that aren't even on the palette. Awesome! Now, try making your very own favorite color. You can paint with those colors and make a masterpiece. Want to try something more fun? Grab some color pens and crayons and start drawing a little. You're doing great. When you're ready, dip your brush into the water and paint in little circles. Need a little extra sparkle? Use your paintbrush or a tissue to blow off any extra paint and make it shine. Alright, everyone, let's start drawing with all those amazing paints. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.